I'm speaking with several teachers that say they're feeling forced to choose between their own personal health and safety and the health and safety of their loved ones over a profession and passion that they truly love. They say they understand the importance of resuming in-person education. They're just not sure New York City public schools can pull it off safely.
I have colleagues who are absolutely terrified to go back into that building. And it's not for lack of, missing their kids. They miss their kids. They just want any reentry to be done in a safe manner.
And Bronx High School teacher Steve Swizicki is one of several educators we spoke with who's leery of the city's plan to at least partially reopen New York City public schools while keeping staff and students safe.
This is a vocation. People choose this career because it's rewarding. Okay. But I think that we can't lose sight of the fact that we're not martyrs. We are regular people with families. We're regular people that have bills to pay, and we're just trying to be safe.
We also spoke with multiple teachers too afraid to go on camera, but more afraid of losing their lives. Listen to this Manhattan High School teacher we spoke with on the phone.
I and my colleagues are terrified. We are updating wills. I was lucky if I got my room swept last year. I have a hard time finding that with now all the budget cuts, deep cleaning is happening every night.
I asked the mayor at his daily briefing if he's concerned about teachers refusing to go back to schools because their voices are not being heard.
Yes, we want to hear those voices and we want to really be respectful of their concerns. And I think you're going to see the vast majority who are healthy will want to be at their posts because they want to help our kids move forward.
The mayor cited the example of working with teachers' unions earlier this week to develop an online form where teachers with underlying health conditions could apply to teach only online. We also spoke with schools chancellor Richard Carranza on the Pix 11 Morning News. He acknowledged the significant risks to reopening, but stressed there are 1.1 million families depending on the school system.
These are life and death decisions that we have to weigh very heavily. But we also recognize that there are some very unfair trade-offs that we have to consider based on the circumstances that we're in.
Of course, it will ultimately be up to the state, not the city, as to whether or not any in-person education can actually move forward. Governor Cuomo says he wants all districts to have a plan by the end of July, and he'll make the final call during the first week in August. In Bay Ridge, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.